In this video, I'm going to show you how to replay on Webull Desktop. So the first thing you have to do, you want to open up one of your layouts where you have your chart, and then on the chart, you simply want to select whatever you want to replay, and you want to click on this button, which is replay. Now you have two options, either tick replay or bar replay. If you click on the tick replay, this is what it's going to look like, and you can just go ahead up at the top, and you can basically see the entire replay. Pause if you want to, you could go ahead and continue. And that's pretty much how you can do it. You can of course set how fast you want it to go or how slow you want it to go, and you can also go ahead and select the date over here. So that's the first way to do it. But the second thing you can do is do a bar replay, which if you click on it, you can just basically select where you want to do your replay. So I can select where I want it to be. Like for example, I want it to be from here to here. I can just click on it and I can click on play up top, and it's going to start playing. You can also select the replay speed. I can do 1 bar, 2 bars, you could do 3 bars, 5 bars, or 10 bars, and then you can go ahead and basically go forward by the amount of bars you have selected over here. So that's pretty much how you can do it. And if you want to select them again, you can just click on select bar or select date here, and then you can basically just select the date and then the hour, and you'll be able to replay from there. So that's how to replay. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.